Yes, we have come back. That is Talk Wazobia with the Talk ladies them. Yes, I want to ask one question and cook of the day be that. And my ladies, they look me say, this girl, you have come again. And the question is, if your bobo or your babe be HIV positive and you condemn negative, you go fit continue that be together. You go still fit continue. That question.
Amaka, on Friday when you know day. Everywhere they cocoa of the day, I face out with full force.
You know,
but once you come like this, your breeze they move, go one side. I don't know where they come from. Well, but they say we could not do stigmatization, and I know they stigmatize, but it is very difficult for me. I go love you with all my heart, and because I love you, I no go won't cause you pain. I no go want sometimes I react the other way, and you know like I go pray for you. I go be your friend. I go do there for you. Make sure say you take your drugs. Make sure say you take care of yourself. But I could do for somebody else.
You not already.
No, she don't talk and say she will look for somebody else.
Even if we marry, I go divorce him. Me.
All right.
Well, for me, I believe say you get many things where you say not be like now where not be like that time where the thing just come out where you say they scare everybody. For me, before I go fit day with person where you say okay we dey date or we want marry or want serious or something.
We don't check.
I go don't in tune myself where you say you know get what you want do or what you want do you will go make me leave you as in you know get the kind of sickness or you know get this kind of thing. Unless say maybe you do me strong thing like maybe I catch you with another woman or something. But for that HIV thing, drugs there. Rubber day where you say we feel use, so I go stay. Really, I think I go stay because if I say I love you. So
yeah, why I talk so be say, sometimes I feel react some way. You go feel say now because you be this. I don't want they limited to how I express myself around you. I don't want when I talk, you go say, oh, because not this. You know, say you get people. It depends on the person, though. If the person no make me feel, say, that one a limitation between us, why not? We feel carry on. But if not those people where can tell you sorry 1,000,000 times, I hate them.
But person get HIV, not be AIDS.
Sorry,
you know what?
You don't even need to tell the person sorry for anything.
No. Some people, when they offend you, they come up from matter of that, what they talk. Okay. Maybe it make you vex. I'll say, okay, I beg, no just do them again. And the person continue to, okay, sorry now. You see the verse. I don't like all those things. No, continue to talk one thing over and over again. So because of all those things, I don't go want put you for a situation where you can't go sit down or they drive, they think. No. Yeah, so instead, I go just pray for you, be your friend, be part of your life still. But I go want move on because I want to be free.
Yes, for me, I go actually start with how Queen B start. We know they try put anybody for one corner because say you be HIV patient or because say you be AIDS patient. All of us now one. But the thing is, say if you want to stay with that partner, you have to change
your
thinking.
Yes,
the way you think.
Yes.
If you change the way you think, then you go stay with the man peacefully and nothing will happen. Just be like the case between AS and AS. Maybe now you want to date AS and the date to your marriage discover say you want to be AS and AS. And for your head, you don't already see where your aunties, AS and AS marry, and then the children are SS. As in plenty biggest, you don't see them. And still, the fear they your head, trust me, you're not going to be happy.
No, that one said,
you not go one move
brother,
on with
thank you. I love you so much. You have to go. Thank you. I love you so much.
But even with, you know, say now, we thank God because of this technological advancement we don't get. We get different methods now, different ways, where you, even if you marry a person with a positive, you not go get them, your children not go get them.
Yes,
but
I know.
It starts from here. If you change your thinking, change your mind, change the way you think they see all the HIV, the AIDS patient, trust me, una go live peacefully and nobody go need to una get that disease.
We want to ask this question.
You go stay.
For me, if I feel change my mindset.
So you never still
good.
Find out.
No. If I feel
not
change
something where you change
I need to sometimes you need to stay in the situation for you to know whether you go feed the one or not.
Yes.
But for me, I try to picture myself if I did that situation, I really love this person. This person at the bone of my bone, that person where I really want. I don't know whether I go stay. I don't really know whether I go stay.
Are they honest with myself?
I don't know whether I will stay.
I will love you, except because I love children. I want get picking like as I did, like now. If in parents or if because of I won't ask this question before, you if you do surrogate mother, like make somebody collect your
No, I not go
semen
fit.
and another person may
I
help
not
you
go
carry
fit.
the baby.
No, I not go
Then if you know if you go through that,
go fit.
because to stay with somebody will be positive, then get picking for them, and you need to dedicate your time for hospital. They must make sure say everything go well. So those time, I'm not sure say I get enough to feed a go back and forth hospital. I'm not sure say I go feed one.
Okay,
Alright,
so
fine.
we have reached the end of our cook of the day.
No. Wait, Amaka, we never reach the end. Make we try and to them.
I know.
Okay.
For we have reached our own end.
All right.
Make our people safe. Chook 'em out.
Okay.
If you call us for 012772195, 012777195, 012778195. Also, follow us on top of our Twitter, we be at @TalkTalkWazobia. When I make sure na chook mama, we hear what you na go do if you na find yourself for that situation. My ladies don't talk their own. I never talk my, I don't go talk my own.
All right, the thing is that we need to tell them the situation again. For those of you now where they tune in at Talk now you be on top of Wazobia TV. Now, we they ask you our cocoa of the day. We they ask you say if you find out say your partner where you love so much with all your heart, your soulmate, you find out say him na HIV positive and you na HIV negative, you not get them at all, but your partner get them, waiting you go to. So call us, tell us now because we need to find solution. Call us now, time don't reach for us to open our phone lines for you to call us.
I don't say you go look me.
You must
Why
talk
they
your
look me?
own. You have to talk. It's talk.
Yeah.
Talk your own.
Okay. And like we don't talk until I find myself for that situation. Because I don't know.
But Tiana, give them
They're
rules and
very
regulations
dicey.
to call us.
I don't know. Okay, for those of you now, we want call us, you want chook mouth on top. Everywhere we don't they talk since morning, I be since afternoon. Which time we start?
All of
Since
the above.
afternoon, all of the above. When you call us, I take God beg you, make you reduce the volume of your TV set. I know so everybody likes to hear their voice. Me, I like to hear my voice, but no worry. Afterwards, you go feel watch them again when we do the preview. Make you reduce the volume of your TV set when you call us, and I beg speak up because we won't hear you. You they hear our beautiful voices. So make you not speak up so we go feel hear you well.
All right, we're going to need to buy a small break. When we come back, we go enter our motivational quote of the day. Begin call us because now when you call us, now then we go talk with you. Now still talk, and we are ready to talk with you. Call us.
Hashtag
name
make
is
we talk.
Natasha. You they watch Talk. Merry Christmas, everybody.
My name is Babatunde Ipiga. I do watch Talk, and I wish you a most splendiferous Merry Christmas.
My name is Francesca from Kinabuti, and you they watch Talk. Merry Christmas.
My name is DJ Rolly, and you're watching Talk. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hi there, my name is Billy Sule. I be the CEO of sugarcane.com.ng. You they watch Talk and Merry Christmas.
Now we be the Kinabuti family. You're watching Talk.
Merry Christmas.
The Venus Bushfires, you they watch Talk. Merry Christmas to you.